What's up, guys? Wayne here from Pulling Parts, and in this video we're going to pull the steering column out of a 99 Toyota Camry. This ought to be fun. But yeah, so before I get into this, if you need any salvage parts, give us a call. Come down and see us. I'm at Bob Carl's Auto Wrecking, Elm Road, Warren, Ohio, or down the street and down the road and across the road from Sandy's Tire. So if anybody needs anything, give us a call or come see us. And if we got what you need, we'll hook you up. So let's get into this steering column. So as you can see, this is the car here. It's a 1999 Toyota Camry. Fuse panels in there. I got a bolt. It's got to come out right there, 10 millimeter. Actually, it might be 11 or 12. And a screw that's got to come out right there to take this whole panel here. This whole panel here has got to come down so I can get to the underneath of this to unhook all the wiring and all that happy jazz. So, get to it. As soon as I figure out where I'm going to set you guys. Matter of fact, I'll get that screw and that bolt out and pull that panel down and I'll be back. Alright, so there was also a secondary steel panel that goes across here. Give me a second, I'll show you guys. That's what that steel panel looks like. Bolt here, bolt here, bolt here, bolt here. And then that just comes down out of the way. Here is the view underneath. Steering column, all these wires, just a big mess. But I'm gonna get this mess all figured out and unplugged and go from there. Try to sit you guys right there. Okay. This is just a zip tie. Get out of there. All right, well, let's see here. Got some shit on you. Alright, now, so, take my gloves out of my pocket. Alright, it appears, I don't know where that, oh, that went there, okay, come on, unplugged. Plug this guy here. Okay. What else we got here? I think those go up to the ignition switch, which is separate from the steering column on this car. Oh no, it attaches here, okay. Alright, so this plug goes up there to the ignition. This plug goes over there by the ignition. Alright, just unplug this guy here. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? That green wire, where's it go? Into this bundle of stuff here. Did I happen to tell you guys it's fucking cold in Ohio today? Well, it's been cold here for a while, but I don't know. Today seems like it's been cold. It's colder than it's been lately. I don't know. Could just be me, but yeah. I don't know. Oh, that green wire goes up to this plug over here. I'll plug that. All right. That wasn't quite what I was looking for to happen. Honestly, I don't think it'd be a problem if I just, because this thing, this green wire here, if you can see this, goes way, way, way over here somewhere. I don't think it's going to be needed. Wait, am I still filming? Yep, still filming. Okay, cool. All right, back to it. Appears that this goes way back in there, so obviously I'm going to have to cut this. Much as I don't like to, sometimes you have to. Because it'll go up in there and it goes into the back of this fuse panel here, and there's no way to disconnect it. I think it's hardwired in. Usually it is. So I'll just get my bolt cutters and cut that spool, a bunch of wire right there, and then we can get the bolts out of this thing and get this thing down out of here, eh? Okay. Let me see here. All right, we got one bolt, that white and blue one right there. That'll come out, and the steering column will be loose from the shaft right there. Then up above that, see that gold bolt right there? There's one there, and there's one over there. Those got to come out, and that gold bolt right there, and that one right there, and that will lower the steering column down from the dashboard frame, and I'll be able to just pull it out. Really, we're pulling it because what he usually gets out of them is the ignition switch, like turn signal switch, the wiper switch, you know, stuff like that. And instead of me taking it apart out here, I just pull it with all the eBay stuff, and it goes up front, and then the boss man takes it apart up there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get that bolt out up there and keep going. I gotta go get another tool. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Pretty sure it's a 13. Yep, 13 millimeter works those. Not those. That sucks. Well, I guess I'll have to go get another one after I get this bolt out. It's either a 14 or a 15. Let me guess. I don't see no nut on the back side. That's not a 13. It's 12. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Well, let's try this. Hope y'all can see. There's that. And that should just... Well, it won't slide now until I actually get the column loose, but it'll come apart. You guys will see. I don't know if these are 14s or 15s. 14s. Alright, so get this one here. That one next to it. This one right here. And I know there's one over here. Get out of there. All right, now I should have just pulled out of there. I'll get my cutter so I can cut this wire. Ah, the door's got me. I'm attached. What the hell? It was in my pocket. I've got work to do, hey. Yes. You ain't done yet? Alright. See if you get that out of there as quick as I get the steering column out of here. Alright, that's the last thing there. Yeah, see? Slipped right out. I win. I win. You said the hard part's already done? This guy, I tell you. Oh, man. Alright, so that was the steering column removal. 99 Toyota Camry. Not really too hard, but you got to remember, I work at a salvage yard, so I was able to cut that and get that out of there. Now, it does end up going, if you guys can see, this wire goes up here and around here and goes right there into the back of that box. And instead of just pissing with it and dicking with it, because it goes in there, then it goes in here, and then it goes up towards the front, we just cut it. It's quicker that way. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and head over to my paranormal channel, Wayne Maloney's Paranormal Adventures, and check out our paranormal adventures. But for now, that's a wrap on that. And like I said, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. This is Wayne Maloney on Pulling Parts saying, have a great day.